Bacon. Everybody loves it. Vegans try to make their food taste like it, and it literally magnifies the awesomeness in every single food you put it on. I guess you could say bacon is the holiest food that God hath ever created. As always, I'm your host, Brian. Welcome to my kitchen. And today we're cooking up bacon. But we're not cooking up just normal bacon. We're going to bust out some flavor enhancers to make this bacon the best bacon you've ever had. So for this bacon recipe, this is called sweet heat bacon. It's my personal favorite way to make bacon, and we're going to show you how to do it right now. So, lay out your bacon on a bacon sheet. So with this particular bacon, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our sweetener here, which I like to use brown sugar as my sweetener. We're just going to take a nice handful of it and start sprinkling it all over our meat. Just like so. Don't be afraid to be generous. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be sprinkling our pepper. That's what this is, by the way, is pepper. Not too much. And then last but not least, we're going to do red chili flakes. That's what gives it the heat. So, and you want to make this as hot as you want it to be, or as mild as you want it to be, but this is sweet heat bacon, and believe me, once you have it this way, you're not going to want to make it any other way. So, quick tip. When you're cooking bacon on a tray like this and you're putting it in the oven, always start off with a cold oven. And what we're going to do is put it in there cold, just like so. And we're going to heat things up to about 450 degrees. And now we wait. I set mine for about 18 minutes for a pound of bacon like this. Depending on how your oven is and how hot it gets, I would suggest just keeping an eye on the bacon after around 15 minutes, just making sure everything looks good. So it's been about 20 minutes. I let my bacon cook. It's ready to go. Let's take it out of the oven. Let's turn my oven off and get it out of here. Whew. Here we are. Now don't be afraid of all this burnt looking stuff over there. That's basically just the sugar that we were putting on there, but bacon's finished. And you can top it off by eating it with a bunch of eggs and toast, or you can just eat this whole pile of bacon all on your lonesome, like I would. Or, even better, peanut butter bacon sandwich. Just saying. Thanks again for coming out today. I really appreciate you stopping by my kitchen. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. If you like what you saw here and you want to see more videos just like this, consider subscribing to Brian's Kitchen. We'll see you guys next time.